Now, I've shown this a few times. The flex head extendable ratchet that I have, it's not a high tooth count flex head, no. It's only about 45 teeth, which is about the same tooth count as my old Stanley ratchet. The guts are about identical. It has the locking flex head and the pin right there. That's locked in place. Has 4 positions. Isn't a whole lot, but if you have nothing else better than no flex head, and you have the handle that extends out. I think it's 14 inches, so gives you plenty of leverage there. And of course it has the reverse switch. Now the reverse switch is the old type, which is not easy to flip over, which I like. And it's also locks in the socket right there. Anyway, let me bring this out to the trailer and take off one of the bolts. Okay, here we are. And the the position for removal and install is the same. Put a bolt on, take a bolt off, as most oops. Wrong tire. There we go, right tire. As most ratchets. Easy enough to take off and flip the switch, yeah, as normal ratchets. Put it back on. Check this one, make sure it's tight. No, that wasn't tight. So anyway, it works well. It's not, like I said, it's not a high tooth count ratchet, but for $20-ish, which it is still, it's good if you don't have any other flex head or extendable ratchet. And then all the notches are different levels you can extend out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.